Hunter.io is a powerful tool for finding professional email addresses and verifying them. It's widely used by marketers, recruiters, and sales professionals for lead generation and outreach. Here's how to use it effectively. Create an account. Go to Hunter.io and sign up for a free or paid account, depending on your needs. Free accounts come with limited monthly searches. Find email addresses. Use the domain search feature by entering a company's website. Hunter.io will generate a list of professional email addresses associated with that domain. Each result includes the email address, the person's name, position, and the source where it was found. Verify email addresses. Use the email verifier to confirm if an email address is valid. Paste the email, and Hunter.io will check its deliverability. Bulk search and verification. For larger lists, upload a CSV file of domains or emails for bulk searches or verification. Use the Chrome extension. Install the Hunter Chrome extension to find email addresses directly from a company's website or LinkedIn profile. Export results. Download your results as a CSV file for use in email campaigns or CRM tools.